Hi kids, today we are gonna listen an interesting story named Lazy John. There was a boy named John, and he was the laziest boy in the entire town. One day, John saw their apple tree full of shiny red apples. He wanted to eat some, but he was too lazy to climb the tree. Instead, he lay on the grass and waited for the apples to fall down on their own. But, of course, the apples didn't fall, and soon John was very hungry because he hadn't worked for his food. So, dear kids, the moral of today's story is that laziness won't get you anywhere. You have to work hard to get what you want in your life. So, like our channel, subscribe and share. This is Fantastical Journeys with Aamna. We look forward for more interesting stories for you.